global major brands are, for pretty much for the last 40, 50 years that I've been working in so-called big business, principally in logistics, but I've worked for very big brands, and my whole upbringing academically and since has really been in big brand operations that have been focused on quite simple market-driven objectives. Sell as much as you can, maximise your profits, maximise your margins, and that's the road to the sunny uplands. Shareholder returns, dividends, and keeping other bastards out of the box that want to buy you because you're so successful at it. Now, I'm seeing a cusp now where major brands, particularly those in beverages, in consumer products, are beginning to be more and more concerned about their upstream supply chains, both in terms of the cost of those materials and in terms of the quantity and availability. And we've seen that amply demonstrated in Graham's slides around precious metals and so on, and so-called rare earth metals. So this is actually now beginning to percolate senior management thinking in many of these companies, and it's that, I think, conceptually, that is going to really pull this sector forward. Once those big brands begin to realise that their customers attach value to sustainability, and they indeed attach low costs to being able to access the products that they put out into the community last year or a decade ago, in the case of cars, then they will see that this whole area is no different to having a supply strategy involving Ugandan mines or South American mineral sources and so on. So this is increasingly now becoming a bankable option.